So it actually worked. The red light is that there is power and the blue light is that there is MIDI coming through. And you can see it on the device here. It sending the MIDI message. Hi everybody and welcome back on my channel. DJ Mathon is in the house, where I give you an inside look as a DJ, a producer and my personal life. I purchased this connector USB to MIDI on Amazon and I gonna test it today. First I need to connect it on my synth. It's very simple. MIDI out goes in MIDI in and MIDI in goes in MIDI out. So it's the opposite connection. And then you have to connect it with the USB on your laptop or computer. And of course you have to connect your synth to your sound card, otherwise there is MIDI coming into your synth but no sound is going out. In Logic it's very simple. When you open a new channel, then you have to select external instrument instead of a synth or a drum computer. Then you have to select which MIDI channel you're gonna use or which MIDI connector you're gonna use, and then you have to select on which audio channel the sounds from the synth coming into your DAW. So my conclusion till now from the USB to MIDI, it's great, it's working, does what it has to do. I'm gonna test it out with my Korg MS-20 and another synth, and when that's working fine, I'm gonna connect everything again with the MIDI hub. The only thing with a MIDI hub, you go to one synth, MIDI in, MIDI out, then you go MIDI through to this, and this is also MIDI through, and that goes in the other synths in the MIDI in, and then you can use the keyboards of the synths, but for me that's no problem. I've got here a big MIDI keyboard where I can play, so all the synths only have to get the MIDI, so they only have to receive the MIDI and they don't have to send the MIDI back. So for me that's no problem. I hope you like this quick video about the USB to MIDI. For me it's working, so if you like this video, subscribe to my channel so I get more than 1000 subscribers. Leave a comment, push a notification bell, and I hope to see you back tomorrow. Enjoy!
Check, check, 1, 2, 1, 2.